Hey there, today we're going to be talking about what is a sliding window and just how they may work in for your project. For starters, a sliding window is a window where the sashes, and the sash is the part that holds the glass, will move right to left or left to right. They don't go in and out of the home, and they don't go up and down. Where they work most effectively are in areas where you don't have a lot of outside space, maybe over a patio or a deck, something of that nature, but you still want to get maximum airflow with a really large or wide venting surface area. They're typically best for areas where the window opening is really wide as well, because, for example, a window that goes up and down is called a hung or double hung window. Those can only be so wide due to the weight of glass. With a sliding window, the weight of the glass remains on the frame the entire time, and therefore these windows can be 6, 7, even 8 foot wide, just like patio doors. So the way that they work is you unlock the window. They actually can come in for cleaning. You just pick up on the sash, pull it to the inside. You can clean it off that way and just pivot it right back in and set it back on the track. Now, sliding windows come in a multitude of different options. We can do a wood interior, fiberglass, vinyl, same materials available on the exterior as well. Tons of different colors and finish options. There's certainly something that would work for your project. From the most elegant, regal, customizable windows to the most basic economy style gliding windows. There's something in this window style for your home.